got some good news for everyone that hated these wheels. We have a buyer and we're gonna be saying goodbye. You're not gonna see me put them on any other truck. I almost made a whole video putting them on Chomper just for the heck of it. I ain't gonna do it, We're gonna let them go. Throw them up on Facebook. Got somebody coming to scoop them up. Good news for everyone that hated the wheels. They gone. Seems silly to some because usually on this channel we have leveled or lifted trucks and you want them to look as tall as possible. So one of the first things you can do, which is totally free, would be to take off a lower valance if your truck came with one, which this one did not, or at least it didn't when I got it. Maybe the previous owner taking it off at some point. Should bring the front down an extra 2 inches, which I will definitely have to be careful because I've scraped this before, and 2 inches lower is probably gonna make driving, you know, a little interesting in some spots. Get one last up front view. There she is, looking freaking amazing with them Denali grills, but it's about to look even better. Let's see what we're working with. Looking pretty sharp so far. All right, there she is. It's gonna be freaking low with this on there, holy crap. Press on. Oh yeah, okay. Dude, that looks freaking awesome. I bet some of y'all already know by the sound. It's trash day, boys. It is trash day. I have put it off for far too long, like typical. And my thought process with this is, I don't really like taking my trucks out to the back of the landfill, especially not since it's been like flash flooding the past couple days. I'm sure it's a super big mess out there. So we're gonna be lazy bones and go to the convenience center. Holy crap. All back, no legs. That smells horrible. Yep, we're on the bump stops. Yeah, let's check the other side. I'm sure it's the exact same. Let's dive under. Oh, brother, it's squished. Trash come rolling out the back of this thing as we pass Mr. Sheriff. That would be very unfortunate, and I would turn around anyways, but I would definitely have to then. Dude, I am shook right now. We are on the bump stops and it rides smoother than it does unloaded. Alright. Brothers, we are cruising. Can't see Jack Diddle, but we scooting. Bro, we got Larry's twin. Literally identical twin. Hey, a little tooted up Sierra. The dump trailer. Here you, brother. All right, the containers are still up there. Good. All right, we're golden, boys. We golden. How's it going? All right, friend. Didn't say anything. Cars and SUVs convenience centers. No trailers, no scavengers. What about Slambo Dizzled? Regular cabs. Y'all had smell-o-vision so bad. Also, Windows XP in the background. Everybody remembers XP? Probably for good reason.
No! God, please, no!
This is, of course, the one with all the nasty liquid. That is now all over my hands. Oh my gosh, it fell. Oh gosh, that's gross. Which one's more rare? The Duramax is all fancy and big, or this because it's slammed.
Totally fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
The jump pack, because that would have been real freaking bad. But yeah, good gracious, that's gross. Well, $14, about 10 minutes of my time, another day of getting better at not getting embarrassed. Oh, we bogging? 6 liter? Sorry 6 liter, we're bogging. Dude, it is insane. Immediately the bumps are worse. This truck rides better on bump stops than regular height. That is insane. Once again, I was pleasantly surprised by how this thing rode with all the weight in the back. It is genuinely better than with it unloaded, which makes no sense to me, but let's check out this front lip. Ooh. Bro, it looks so freaking good. Definitely drop a comment and let me know what you think about it, but I think that looks freaking killer. Cringe warning, if you don't like bugs, click off. Actually, don't click off, just look away, okay? We're about to see what is left in the back of Shorty. Holy crap.
Step back, I think I'm gonna vomit!
Shorty, you need another bath. But that was a fun video, guys. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Be sure to leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. Ring that bell notification. Check out the links in the description. With that said, I'll see y'all in the next one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another cicada video. Today we're going to be installing cicadas on our cicada, and then we're going to go down to Cicadaville, grab a little cicada for lunch, maybe a little cicada for dessert. Then we're going to come back here, probably throw up a little cicada on the TV, maybe a little white noise from the cicadas in the background, take a little power nap, go out to the pool, swim around with the cicadas. They'll probably be in there, so we'll listen to those while we also swim with them. I'm losing my mind.